So at the beginning, when you were like, oh, you like Giddyfia, this, you were
And
like,
that's
oh.
like first week, even second week, so I asked you.
Yes, I didn't like him. Things happened, it was recent.
But wait, listen. This last week, Saturday,
Yes. When
you
I
were
was not
even
talking to
telling
you.
me that I should go and secure my man. No.
Yes.
So that means you still liking him this week.
Am I dating him? I cannot dig Giddyfia, he's not my mate. You understand? I spoke about you as from day one. I said my roomie like you and I go for it.
So that means you don't like him.
I didn't say that I don't like him. Recently, when I was last week, you know, we're not talking. I was really drunk, you know. I didn't eat that day. I didn't drink that much, but I didn't eat, so the thing makes me
Yeah, you told me and I told him.
He took care of me that day. This thing really, like, touched me. In the past few days, we really become close. I will not lie to you. But it's not something that I'm about to hide you. Like, I was about to tell you what's going on, but we are not dating. So anything right now I want to tell you, anything that you want to go and do, feel free. But the thing that you went to go and ask Severo last one, you think paid me, but no one.
No, it does not have to hurt you because I already asked you. So everybody's looking for clarity. Do you understand? So that when I'm having a conversation with you, I will know what I'm saying. Do you understand what I mean? So me asking her, doing, I don't think it was any bad move. And I just asked her. I can't even remember exactly what I even asked her, but I know it was related to you. I said, is there any problem? Is
something like that? You asked?
Yes, it was just only doing that I personally asked to. You know, people can come with their own story. So it was only doing, and me and Chichi were just gisting normally. What's happening at your level? You know, Deji came here now. What's happening? Which girl is it? Take care of Deji for me or this one. So then she now asked me that would I, like I said, Giddyfia or take care of him for me. Then she now started saying, there's this one, look at this person, like Giddyfia, all this kind of walla front and back.
Me, I will not talk too much, you understand, because I want you to go and explore for yourself. You understand? Me, I went to explore. I saw what I wanted to see. I'm out of the matter. Even today, Buka asked me about it. About Giddyfia, how far, this. That bitch that yesterday I went to confront it because now another matter. She acted as if I don't know how to say. Me and Giddyfia, we were close, you know, like party, we were bestie. In the house, this babe came. I gave her my bed, you know, come and sleep on my bed. Me, I went to sleep on with doing that day. I wanted her to feel comfortable. This babe showed that I was close with Giddyfia from day one. She keep bluing him. The thing it was making me very uncomfortable because I'm like, this babe, she know they get, I don't know, even respect for yourself. You see that somebody is close, you come and, you know, jump, this. That's why yesterday it was too much. I don't want to talk too much. You will see it with your eyes.